A standard. Lesson number 2, parallel lines and transversals. We have studied different pair of angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal. Now today let us see properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal. We know that there are three types of pairs: corresponding angles, alternate angles, and interior angles. Now let us see property of corresponding angles. Here are two lines PQ and CD are parallel lines, and line AB is their transversal. So the pair of corresponding angles formed are this pair and this pair are corresponding angles because they are on the same side of transversal as well as they are on the same side of the parallel lines. Now these two angles are also corresponding angles. Now on the other side of transversal, this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. This angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Each pair of corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent. Now the angle, so we have four pairs. This one, this is a 2, this is 3, and this the 4. Four pairs, and each pair is a congruent. Now let's write angle AMQ. AMQ congruent to angle MND. MND. This is one congruent pair. Second is angle QMN is congruent to angle DNB. This is second pair. Now third pair on the left side of transversal, angle AMP. AMP is congruent to angle MNC. MNC. And fourth pair will be angle PMN. PMN is congruent to angle CNB. Angle CNB. Thus, pair of corresponding angles is of congruent, and this property is each pair of corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. Now let us see property of alternate angles. There are two types of alternate angles: interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angles. These are cross angles. These two angles are alternate interior angles, and these two angles, this angle and this angle, these two angles, we take cross angles between two parallel lines. These angles are alternate interior angles. These angles are congruent. Now exterior alternate angles. This angle and this angle are exterior alternate angles. Similarly, this angle and this angle are also alternate exterior angles. So, the pairs of alternate angles are congruent. So, what is property of alternate angles? Each pair of alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. So we write these pairs. First is interior alternate angles. Interior means in between two parallel lines, cross angles. Number one pair is this angle and this angle. This angle is angle QMN. Angle QMN. This is congruent to this angle. This angle is angle MNC. Angle MNC. Now second pair is this angle and this angle. Angle PMN. Angle PMN is congruent to angle MND. Angle MND. These are the interior alternate angles pairs. These pairs are congruent. Now, exterior alternate angles. There are two pairs of exterior alternate angles. This angle and this angle. So this angle is angle AMQ. Angle AMQ. Congruent to this angle. Angle CNB. CNB. And now second pair will be this angle and this angle. This angle is angle AMP. Angle AMP. Congruent this angle. Angle DNB. Angle DNB. In this way, the alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent. That is, alternate angles are congruent. Now, property of interior angles. So, what is meant by interior angles? The angles in between two parallel lines and on the same side of transversal are called interior angles. So this angle and this angle is pair of interior angles. And now this angle and this angle is also pair of interior angles. So these angles are of supplementary. Supplementary means the angles whose sum is 180 degree. That angles are called as a supplementary angles. So here we got two pairs of interior angles. This is one. So angle QMN. QMN and angle MND. MND. These are supplementary angles because sum of measures of these angles is 180 degree. And second pair will be this angle and this angle. So angle PMN, angle PMN, this angle, and angle MNC, angle MNC. This is pair of interior angles. Practice set 2.2. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative. Example number 1. In the given figure, if line M parallel line N and the line P is a transversal, then find X. And alternatives are A 135 degree, B 90 degree, C 45 degree, and D is a 40 degree. Now let us see. These two lines, line M and line N, are parallel to each other, and line P is their transversal. Now angle 3x and angle x are interior angles. We know that interior angles are supplementary, that is, sum of their measures of angles is 180 degree. Therefore we write 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree, because these are interior angles. Interior angles. Therefore 4x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree upon 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 4 are 16 and 4 5 are 20, that is 45 degree. Therefore here our answer is C 45 degree. C 45 degree is answer. Now question number 2. In the given figure, if line A parallel line B and line L is a transversal, then find X. Alternatives are A 90 degree, B 60 degree, C 45 degree, and D is a 30 degree. Let us see here. Line A and line B are parallel to each other, and line L is their transversal, and we have given two angles, this 4x angle and this 2x angle. Now this angle is opposite to 2x, therefore its value will be, let M is equal to 2x, its value will be 2x. Now this 2x and this 4x are interior angles. We know that interior angles are supplementary, that is, sum of their measures of angles is 180 degree. Therefore we have 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, and then we find the value of x here. Now write in figure, angle M is equal to 2x, because these are opposite angles. Here we taken M is equal to 2x for our reference. Now 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, because these are interior angles. Therefore 6x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree upon 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 3s are 18. X is equal to 30 degree. So here answer is D 30 degree, and we write answer D 30 degree. In the given figure, line P parallel line Q and line T and line S are transversals. Find measures of angle X and angle Y using the measures of angles given in the figure. In the figure, line P is parallel to line Q, and this line T is a transversal, and also line S is a transversal. Now let us see, line P parallel line Q and line T is a transversal. Consider this angle as M and this angle as N now. This angle is a 40 degree Therefore, this angle is also 40 degree because these two angles are corresponding angles. Now we get value of M as a 40 degree. Now this angle and this angle are angles in linear pair. We know that sum of measures of angles in linear pair is a 180 degree. Therefore, here angle will be 40 degree and plus x is equal to 180 degree. In this way, we have to find the value of x. Now let us see here, line P parallel to line Q and S is a transversal. Now this angle is 70 degree. Therefore, angle N is also 70 degree because these angles are vertically opposite angles. Now this angle becomes 70 degree plus y. These two angles will interior angles, and the sum of measures of interior angles is also 180 degree. Therefore, we have 70 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. In this way, we can find value of y. Now, write the solution. At first, consider angles M and N as shown in figure. Now, line P parallel line Q and line T transversal. Therefore, angle M is equal to 40 degree. Angle M is equal to 40 degree. What is reason? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now, angle M and angle X are angles in linear pair. Their sum will be 180 degree. Therefore, angle M plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Reason for this step, angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pair. So value of M is a 40 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. Therefore, angle X is equal to 180 minus 40, that is 140 degree. So, angle X is equal to 140 degree here. Now, let us find angle Y. Now, line P parallel line Q and line S transversal. Line P parallel line Q and line S is transversal. Then angle N is equal to 70 degree. Angle N is equal to 70 degree because these are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now, angle Y plus angle N is equal to 180 degree because they are interior angles. Now, angle Y plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Reason is interior angles. Interior angles. We know that sum of interior angles is 180 degree. Now put value of N 70 degree. Therefore, angle Y plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle Y is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore angle Y 180 minus 70, that will be 110 degree. So value of angle Y 110 degree and angle X is 140 degree. Example number 3. In the given figure, line P parallel line Q, line L parallel line M. Find measures of angle A, angle B and angle C. Using measure of given angle, justify your answer. Now let us see line P parallel line Q and line L transversal. Then these two angles are interior angles. Therefore 80 degree plus A is equal to 180 degree. Thus we can find angle A. Now let us see line L parallel line M and line P transversal. Then this angle and this angle C are exterior alternate angles. Exterior alternate angles are of equal measure. Therefore angle C will be at 80 degree. Now let us see line P parallel line Q and line M transversal. Now this angle is 80 degree. Therefore this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Therefore angle B is also 80 degree here. Now let us write the solution. Line P parallel line Q and line P parallel line Q and line L transversal. Therefore 80 degree plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to 100 degree. This is first answer. Now line L parallel line M. Line L parallel line M and line P transversal. Line P transversal. Line L parallel line M and line P transversal. Therefore angle C is equal to 80 degree. Angle C is equal to 80 degree. Reason is exterior alternate angles. Now line P parallel line Q and line M transversal. Line P parallel line Q and line M transversal. Then angle C is equal to angle B. Angle C is equal to angle B, corresponding angles. corresponding angles. Therefore, angle B is equal to 80 degree as angle C is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, angle B is equal to 80 degree. So, solution is angle A 100 degree, angle C 80 degree, and angle B is also 80 degree. Number 4. In the given figure, line A parallel line B, line L is transversal. Find the measures of angle X, angle Y, angle Z using the given information. Now let us see. Line A parallel line B and line L is a transversal. Therefore, these two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle X will be 105 degree. Now these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So value of Y will also 105 degree. These two angles are angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pairs. Sum of angles in linear pairs is 180 degree. Therefore, 105 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. In this way, we can find Z. Now, let us start solution. Line A parallel line B and line L transversal. Therefore, angle X is equal to 105 degree. Corresponding angles. Angle X is equal to angle Y. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 105 degree. And angle X also 105 degree. Now, 105 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. Therefore, angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. Therefore, angle Z is equal to 75 degree. So, value of X 105 degree. Value of Y is also 105 degree and value of angle Z is 75 degree. Given figure, line P parallel line L parallel line Q. Find angle X with the help of measures given in the figure. Let this angle be M and this angle is N. We have given this angle 40 degree and this angle 70 degree, and we have to find the value of angle X. Now let us see line P parallel line L and AB transversal. Then this angle 40 degree and angle M are alternate angles. Therefore, value of M will be 40 degree there. Now, line L parallel line Q and BC transversal. In this case, this angle 30 degree and angle N are alternate angles. Therefore, this value of this N will be 30 degree. Value of M 40 degree and value of N 30 degree. This angle X is M plus N, that is 40 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, write the solution. Consider angle M and angle N as shown in figure. as shown in figure. Now line P parallel line L and AB transversal, therefore angle M is equal to 40 degree. Reason for this is alternate angles. Now line Q parallel line L. Line Q parallel line L and BC transversal, therefore angle N is equal to 30 degree. Angle N is equal to 30 degree. These are also alternate angles. Now angle X is equal to angle M plus angle N. Angle X is equal to angle M plus angle N. This is called angle addition property. Angle addition property. Therefore angle X is equal to, what is value of angle M? 40 degree, and angle N is 30 degree. So 40 degree plus 30 degree, angle X is equal to 70 degree. So the answer is 70 degree here. Now students, observe this video clearly and solve once again all the examples that are solved in this video, and this is homework